If you live, work, or play in an RV and have a lot of people that just happen to show up all the time, we'll call them family, then you're going to want a big coffee grinder for in the mornings, because this coffee grinder is going to grind the beans to make this espresso. But to make espressos, you're going to want a coffee grinder of this size, not one that you have to do by hand, but this of this size, because you got to do a lot of people. Now, I will tell you from personal experience that this is going to be good to knock out a lot of coffee in a short amount of time, but you don't want to go over about 30 minutes, because then it gives you a symbol on here that says, hey, I'm too hot. Ask me how I know. I mean, we've reached that level once before. We're not going to do it again. So we know, hey, we're just going to make this. But if anybody comes in and wants to make their own, this is how they do it. So there's a couple different ways. And if you do have an espresso machine, you're going to have one of these little handles. It's called the portafilter. And with this portafilter, you can just simply put it in right here to get your ground beans. And then you're going to want to put this guy on here, which is a 58 millimeter, I'll call it a funnel right here. And you are set up and you are good to go right there, so that all your coffee grinds drop into there. That's what we're going to be doing. That's what we use a lot. But let's say you don't have one of these, because this machine does not come with this portafilter. So you have to have an espresso machine. But if you don't have an espresso machine, you just have a normal drip coffee maker. You just simply grab up, lift, this comes off just like that. And this right here is magnetic. Isn't that cool? It's magnetic, so it stays right there wherever you want it and it won't tip. So that's really awesome there too as well. Now you're ready to grind some coffee beans. So if you're ready, like I am, to make some espresso, you'll use this. And that's what we're going to be using today. As opposed to this, you can grind them for the next person, ready to go. So we're going to put this attachment back on. We're gonna get that set up and ready to go, just like that. So really quick, it does come with a couple cleaning brushes. As with any grinder, you don't want to use water. You just want to use brushes to brush this out. Now, as we're on vacation or you're in an RV and you're camping, you just leave this filled and you're good to go. All you have to do is come over here, press the power button. It is super simple, really easy. If you're gonna make 1 cup or 2, today we're just gonna go with 1 cup. And it gives me the recommended settings for my espresso. So you can have an espresso, you can have a drip pour over, or you can have a French press, depending on the coarseness of your beans. We're doing espresso today, so I like them really super fine. So it knows over here what you're gonna do. And so you do a 1 cup, and then it gives you the time. Now, if you do want a little bit longer time, you can adjust your time by up or down. We're just gonna do 12 seconds. That's fine, that's great. So the next thing is you do is you just press the cup of coffee and let it do its thing. Look how fast that is. That is super fast. So much faster than doing it by hand. So now you can see how easy, efficient, and portable this coffee grinder is, so that you can make it a staple in your RV for the next time family just happens to show up.